Hi kids, good morning. Now we are going to learn the next letter N. Before we see M, capital M and small m. Now we are going to learn the letter N. The letter N, capital N and small n, capital N and small n. What is this? Capital N and this is small n. 1, 2, 3. First you want to write a standing line, then slanting line, again standing line, capital N, and this is small n. 1, 2. See how we want to write? Standing line, slanting line, standing line, capital N, again small n, capital N and small n. Now let me see some words of letter N. N la irundhu nama konjam words parapom, okay va? See the picture. Newspaper. What is this? Newspaper. And what is the sound of N? What is the sound of N? Say What is the sound of N? Newspaper. Say newspaper. The next is nuts. What is this? Nuts. Say nuts. The next picture is needle. What is the next picture? Needle. Say the sound. Needle. The next one is nurse. What is this? Nurse. And the next one is nose. What is this? Nose. The next one is necktie. Necktie. The next one is notepad. What is this? Notepad. The next one is nail. What is this? Nail. Say again. Newspaper, nuts, needle, nurse, nose, necktie, notepad, nail, nightingale, nightingale, necklace, necklace, nightingale அப்படிங்கிறது அது ஒரு பறவை, ஓகேவா? Nightingale, necklace, 9, number 9. The next one is nest, 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 net, net. Say net. Say again. Nightingale, necklace, 9, net, nest. Now let me see how we want to write the letter N in 4-line notebook. In your book you have 4 lines like this. Capital N. What is this? Capital N. You want to start from blue line, second blue line. Go up sides. Red, till red blue line, red line. Then again come to blue line. Then again go to red line. Capital N. Capital N. capital N. Now small n. Small n you want to write in between the blue lines. Okay. Small n. Put a standing line and downwards curve. Small n. Small n. Standing line. Downwards curve. Small n. Standing line. Downwards curve. Small n. Now let me see how to write in a book. Take your book number 4 and take the page number 24. Take the page number 24. Identify the difference in the picture. Circle the missing things and say the first letter of their names. This is you want to do it, okay, and submit in the Zoho app. See what is the difference, what things are missing here. You want to circle it and name them, okay. Next, trace the letter. Draw a picture whose name starts with the sound of the letter N and color it. You want to draw a picture of letter N. உனக்கு எந்த picture ஈஸியாக இருக்கோ அந்த picture இதில் வரைஞ்சி கலர் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் இதில் ட்ரேஸ் பண்ணணும். Okay, small n. Trace like this and write here small n. Say and write. சொல்லி சொல்லி எழுதணும், ஓகேவா? The next one is small n. Trace the letter. First you want to trace it. Cross the picture whose name does not start with the sound of the letter N. இந்த ரெண்டு பிக்சரில் எந்த பிக்சர் Nல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகாதோ அந்த பிக்சர் நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், cross பண்ணணும், ஓகேவா? So what is this? This is net. So what is the sound of net? So இது வந்து Nல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. What is this? Log. So this is wrong. So you want to cross here, okay. Next you want to write the small n. Write small n. And what is the sound of n? What is the sound of n? Complete the given pattern. You want to complete this pattern. Do you remember how to complete it? See here. First capital N, small n and capital N. So you want to write the same pattern here and here, okay. So here it is capital N. Capital N already உனக்கு இங்க இருக்கு. So next one, what you want to write? Small n. என்ன எழுதணும்? Small n. So you want to write here small n. Again capital N. Capital N இங்க இருக்கு. So next one capital N. Capital N இருக்கா? இங்கே இருக்கு. So next dashல என்ன எழுதணும்? Small n. So you want to write here small n. Next என்ன இருக்கு? Capital N. So you want to write here capital N. Like this you want to complete this pattern and submit it as a home assignment. Thank you kids.